dream home is proud to present this truly unique villa. A characterful property offering 7 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and over 450 square meters of living space. Perfect as a grand family home, or as a business opportunity such as a bed and breakfast, boutique guest house, or retreat center. As we arrive at the villa, the first thing you'll notice is its incredible location. Set on the edge of the village, the property enjoys panoramic views across volcanic landscapes, the mountains, and the sparkling Atlantic Ocean. From here, you can even see the El Faro lighthouse and the charming fishing village of El Cotillo, famous for its world-class surf, golden sandy beaches, and some of the most breathtaking sunsets on the island. Passing through the main gate, you're welcomed by a private driveway with space for multiple cars, and a landscape garden filled with native plants and Canarian flora. The garden also includes a disused vegetable plot, which could easily be brought back to life. There's also ample space to add a swimming pool, whether at the front of the property to enjoy the views, or tucked away at the back for total privacy. Just off the driveway and beneath the villa, you'll find a large workshop space. The current owner, a master carpenter, has used this area for his craft, and it was here that he created the beautiful wooden doors, sash windows, beams, and vaulted ceilings that make this villa so special. This versatile space could easily be transformed into a yoga or Pilates studio, an art workshop, or even a training area for surf, boxing, or wellness retreats. A few steps lead us up to the heart of the home, a spectacular wraparound covered terrace. Spacious and shaded, it offers the perfect setting to enjoy meals with family and friends, or simply to relax with a book while taking in the peaceful views of the mountains, garden, and surrounding landscape. In the evenings, this is the spot to watch the sun set over El Cotillo, turning the skies into a canvas of colors. Inside, the main entrance opens into a bright reception area, filled with natural light and overlooking the internal courtyard. From here, the villa's clever layout unfolds, blending privacy with spaces designed for social living. On the west side of the villa, a covered walkway leads to 3 spacious bedrooms. Each has its own bathroom, offering comfort and convenience for family members or guests. One of the bedrooms is a single, connected by an adjoining door to share a bathroom with a double room, ideal for families with younger children. Continuing along the corridor, you'll discover 2 further double bedrooms, both en suite. One of these larger rooms has plumbing already in place, providing the opportunity to add a kitchenette or an additional bathroom if desired. At the center of the villa is a truly peaceful space, an internal terrace and courtyard, with a dining area, sun lounges, and open views of the volcanic rock garden. This is a private sanctuary where you can relax, sunbathe, or dine in total tranquility. Moving across to the east side, you're greeted by an impressive hand-carved wooden door, opening into the villa's grand lounge and dining area. With its vaulted wooden ceiling, expansive proportions, and direct access to the terrace, this room is both warm and inviting, the perfect place for entertaining, hosting events, or simply enjoying time with loved ones. Off the lounge, The independent kitchen continues the villa's theme of craftsmanship, with solid oak cabinetry, granite worktops, and plenty of space for family meals. A hallway lined with windows that overlook the courtyard leads to 2 more double bedrooms, each with an en-suite bathroom. One of these includes a full bathtub and built-in storage. At the end of this hallway, a door leads outside, where stairs to the garden were never completed, but this space offers exciting potential. A spiral staircase could be added to connect the villa to the garden, and even upwards to create a rooftop solarium, unlocking 360-degree views of the mountains, village, and sea. The villa also includes an independent guest suite, accessed via a separate entrance. This self-contained room features a colonial-style wooden balcony, a double bedroom, a bathroom, and breathtaking views of both the sea and mountains. Perfect for welcoming guests, generating rental income, or creating private quarters for a retreat host. This extraordinary villa is full of possibilities. With its size, layout, and stunning location, it could easily become a family home, boutique guesthouse, or surf and yoga retreat. While it requires some finishing touches and light renovation, the property is structurally sound and offers a rare canvas for anyone looking to create a unique project on the island. The surrounding village is a charming and authentic community. Traditional Canarian-style houses sit alongside modern villas along quiet, narrow streets. Each year, the village comes alive during its annual fiesta, an authentic local celebration filled with music, dancing, and traditional cuisine. And when you want a change of pace, the vibrant restaurants, surf spots, and beaches of El Cotillo are just minutes away by car, or a peaceful 25-minute nature walk. Priced at €1,070,000, this villa represents not just a home, but an opportunity to create your dream lifestyle on one of the most beautiful islands in the Canaries. Contact us today to arrange your private viewing and discover the full potential of this incredible property.